it's your girl Shay Moolah. I am back with another video, and this is a how to do it yourself. So this video, y'all, is gonna be very simple. So this video is gonna be about hair. As you can see, I have my hair out. I'm going to be doing a heatless flexi ride, how to achieve these Shirley temple curls that I got. The picture should be right here, showing you how I achieved these bomb curls that everybody loved. I was getting so many compliments on them, and everybody was like, oh my god, you should wear your natural hair like that all the time. And I was like, no, it's just for like 2 days, and I'm braiding it back up, washing it, conditioning, put my wig back on. That's it. I had really thick hair, long hair. You know, everybody said they had long hair, but I did have long hair, and I had very thick hair, and I just it was just a struggle, and that's what made me turn to getting kitty perms, because I just could not do anything. Like, it was just not manageable. Oh, I have long hair. I feel like that's childish. Like, back when we were kids, like, girls always felt the need to brag about having long hair. If you had long hair, I don't know what it did. It made you special. I don't know what the hell it did, but it don't do nothing for me in my adult life. Like, so deep into it, it's like a whole nother world. Like, the natural hair thing, it's a whole nother world. I just think it's a little blown out of proportion. Because I'm like, honestly, my whole life, almost my whole childhood, my hair was natural. I didn't really get anything done to it until I started becoming like a little bit more of a younger adult. But my childhood, we didn't do nothing but get grease, get our hair braided, barrettes. That's it. I mean, that was about it. I know they did start introducing the straightening combs, but my mom didn't really straighten my hair. She really didn't even have a straightening comb. I think she bought one when I got older, but I didn't have heat in my hair as a child. So for the most part, my hair was natural. Like, so it's not really a big difference. And I just think everything gets blown out of proportion because of like a movement and the trend. And I'm not really a part of that. Like, I'm not knocking nobody. I have family members that are natural hair girls, but I just do my thing. And I have got my hair back to like its natural state that I wanted to. I just had to get my ends, like, my thing is getting my ends trimmed. And I think once you literally stop using heat, you really don't need to get your hair trimmed. That's just my opinion. For now, it could change. I know I have to get my ends trimmed because I was still kind of putting heat in my hair. So for the most part, I was like half natural because I didn't use perms, I didn't get like other stuff, but I love curls, and I love to get my hair curled. That's the thing for me, but the heat is just damaging. So that's the thing now. I'm only doing heat twice a year. That's it. It's not as hard as I thought it would be. My first attempt was terrible. I didn't even last barely like a week. I was like, oh my god, I gotta get some curls right here. But that's my goal now, to literally like wean myself off that heat. So that's the next step that I'm on in my hair journey. But I just want everybody out there, like, cause I feel like this hair thing is it's a little stressful. Like, I know a couple people, even people that are not my family, like their natural hair, it's serious. I don't think it should be that serious. And I don't want anybody to think, because same as I keep my hair natural, I wash my hair, deep conditioning and whatever, plait that thing up, put my eye in my wig. I love weaves, I love wigs, I love my closures, okay? I make my own wigs, I make my friends' wigs, whatever. I love weave. So my wig and my weave actually protects my hair a lot more anyway. I feel like when we have our hair out all the time, we're taking in all the stuff from the earth, the environment, everything. So your hair just gets, you know, it gets jumped on a lot. Like, it's in a fight. So I'd rather my hair be protected and just make sure your hair is moisturized. But I just think the whole natural hair thing, I think it's a little too stressful. I just feel like some people need to calm down with it. Like, calm down, it's not that deep, okay? It's just hair, okay? I love my hair. I know people that take their hair seriously, but I guess because I've been through so many different transitions in my life, and I've seen my hair go from like bad and damaged and short, and now it's like body, my natural curl pattern is there. It's gotten to where I wanted it to. It's not that deep. You can train it back to wherever you want it to get trained back to. So I don't want anybody to feel like because you're not doing a natural movement that, oh my God, I'm doing horrible things right here. Because I feel like people come off judgmental like, oh, you should try doing the natural thing. Like, maybe you don't want to. And another thing, I just had to touch this topic. I'm not trying to go on a rant, but these are some of my little personal feelings. It's just because I don't want to walk around with a natural curly afro does not make me more black or less black than anybody. I just feel like that's a thing now because, you know, we're in touch with our African heritage. That does not make you more black or less black. So I don't feel the need to walk around my hair like this all the time or whatever. But if that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do. But that don't make nobody less black or more black than anybody. Let's be honest, okay? Back in slavery, you know, let me tell you something. We have African American women and men that are very talented in hair and make a living out of it because we are able to express ourselves our creativity through hair. Back in slavery, we didn't have that option. So all we knew was just to wear our hair in afros or maybe, you know, plait them up. So maybe back then, if they did have the option, maybe they would want to bleach their hair. Maybe they would want to dye their hair. Maybe they would want to get some curls. They didn't have that option. So I just don't want people to be like, oh, because you wear your hair in an afro, you're touched with your African American. You don't know what they would have wanted if they had the choice. That's just the point I wanted to say. It's like, oh, you're more black, you're more in touch with your African. That does not make me more African American than anything. My hair, nothing. Doesn't make me a better person just because I would have said, oh, I got long hair. Like, doesn't make me more black or nothing. Doesn't make me a better person. Doesn't make me a nice person because I have long hair. Like, it's just a brag. Like, my mom had short hair, and I think my mom was very beautiful. My mom was gorgeous with short hair. I loved her with short hair. I actually did not like her with short hair. Her face just fit for it. So everybody needs to have long hair. But I just had to touch that, you guys. I just wanted to, this is like a little, you know, hair discussion, but it's also a hair tutorial. So I don't want to get dragged away from it, but I just wanted to talk to you guys about some of these topics that I just think that need to be talked about and touched. But like I said, however you want to do your hair, you're beautiful, whatever way you are, okay? So on to the video. We are going to be doing, I'm going to show y'all how I get my beautiful heatless curls with these Flexi rods, y'all. I'm telling you, curls be popping. So I only use the purple and the gray one, but I've recently purchased the orange ones, and I saw that they were like smaller. As you can see, y'all can see this. The purple ones are like the thicker ones, and then like the gray ones are like a little less thicker. But these are nice. So I will be using these in the front of my hair, and I'm gonna show you how I get this thing. You don't need nothing, you just need flex rods and probably like a little comb. I don't use a clip. I mean, I might use a clip just to be a little fancy for y'all, but naturally I just use my comb and my Flexi rods. And we are gonna get into this video, y'all. Okay, so y'all, I am back. Finished the other half of my hair, the back part. I didn't feel like y'all needed to see that. I hope that what I did in the front for y'all was enough for y'all to see how I did it. So this is how it looks, y'all. I used most of the purple in the back. It was really easy, you guys. Barely was 10 minutes. I'm probably gonna keep these in all day tomorrow unless I have something to do. I try not to do stuff like right before I have to go to work, but tomorrow I have to go to work. So I'm gonna keep these things in. I just put a little bit of moisturizer in my scalp, but my hair is already moisturized enough. I don't need to add any more. So I don't know, some people sleep with their bonnets on. Sometimes I do and I have like a big wrap, but sometimes I get lazy and I just sleep with this on. But we will see how this looks tomorrow, you guys. I'm going to show you the before and the after. See how bomb your hair is. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Okay, so I just went in the bathroom really quick because I don't have much time. I'm getting ready to walk out the door for work, y'all. Gotta go get these coins. Gotta pay these bills. But I just had to show y'all these are the end results. And I use my fingers a lot, but if you don't, you can get like a wide tooth comb like this and just help you tease the curls just to open it up. Sometimes like if you want the roots to look more like with more volume, I would take this comb and go on your roots and just do that. You see how that gives it a little bit more oomph. You don't really need it. Well, I don't really need it, but if you do, you can use like a wide tooth comb. I use my fingers, but just a suggestion to help my girls out. And this is how I get my Shirley Temple curls, okay? And I always get so many compliments on this look. So I'm getting ready to work. This is going to be put up very soon because I'm getting ready to go to Powerhouse on Friday. Today is Wednesday, so this is getting ready to be put up real fast because I'm going to wear a wig. But I just wanted to give you guys this video and let me know what you guys think. Am I cute or not? Like, if you guys decide to do this type of style, send me some pictures, y'all. So I will see you guys. I gotta go to work. I will see you guys in another video. Bye.